The Jawaharlal Nehru JN Stadium in Shillong hosted the first match in the Group F category of the 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma graced the inaugural event of the Durand Cup, joined by Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong and Snehaw Bhalangdhar, Sports Minister Shri Shakliar Wardri and others. The program was also attended by Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar, Major General Rajesh A. Moghe, Vice Chairman Durand Cup Organizing Committee, and a number of senior military and civil officials. The afternoon kicked off with a match between Shillong Lajong FC and Tribhuvan Army Football Club, in which Shillong Lajong FC clinched victory over Tribhuvan Army Football Club with a single goal, placing them at the top of the group table.
It makes a lot of sense for us to be part of this tournament and to host it, and especially to have our own teams also being part of the Durand Cup itself. I would like to congratulate the Honorable Minister Sports and Youth Affairs and the entire Sports Department for having successfully completed this particular stadium, which is now hosting the tournament. As you can see, that this is at the international standard, and a lot of work has gone into making this stadium what it is today. And I also would like to congratulate him and the team for the successful opening ceremony that we're having today.
The MLA of Maukan